Hey guys, welcome back to Chris Hairstyle. If this is your first time here, you're welcome, and welcome to my old and returning subscribers. So if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of this family. So you're all welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to braid or how to do this push up, twist, corkscrew. I don't know how you call it in wherever you are. So wherever you are and however they call it, just let me know in the comment section. So we call it here in Cameroon push up or twining. So I want to know how it's called where you are, so let me know that in the comment section. So you go in with our hair and do the normal braid. Like the hair, I'm actually using 8 strands of wool, 6 by 2. I cross 2 with 6, so the smaller one is just 2 cross and the one that is much is 6. So you see, as I'm twining, I first of all twine before I cross. This is not your normal like twist. You see the distance between the 2 strand and the 6 strand, it's a long distance. So please, when twining it or when twisting the hair, don't make it too tight, because you have to push it up. If you make it too tight, pushing it up will be difficult. So don't make it too tight. I twist, like I twine and pull over, twine, pull over, and form the twist. Then at the end, I push up holding the 2 strand, and when I hold the 2 strand, I pull back and then push on the 6 strand. It now forms what you are seeing. So I go ahead to secure the edge, tie it with a strand of hair, cut that with the scissors, and of course go in with my gas lighter to burn the edge to secure it the more. So right here, I'm just going to be repeating the same thing. So guys, it's a thumbs up for this video, it's a thumbs up for this look. So my baby here was actually sleeping, so I'm plaiting it while she's sleeping, and for me this is the best time because she will not be turning and moving around, so it's very calm and cool. We go ahead and do everything. So I go in with my wool. I'm using 8 strands of wool. I cross 2 by 6. Thus I take 2 strands, I cross it with 6. So I go ahead and braid, as you can see me doing here. Here you don't have to braid much, so I just braid like 3 times, then I remove the 2 braid. I start crossing. So we keep on twisting. After twisting, you push up, twist and push up till you get the desired length you are looking for. So guys, I'm going to leave you to watch the video. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, share the video, like the video, give me your views in the comment section. Let me know if this is a hairstyle you want to try on your baby, your loved ones, or even on yourself. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle. So don't forget to watch to the end, and see you in my next video, which is coming very soon. I love you guys. Stay blessed. Shalom. Bye.